welcome to this 2026 MedTech Forum.
So here we are, Stockholm, Sweden, and we see before us more than 1,000 bold minds from across the MedTech ecosystem.
I think it's a fundamental event for the industry because it's the only real time that we gather together.
Regulators, policymakers, industry try to craft our future all together.
A lot of variety of topics are addressed. Of course, medical device regulations, digital health, artificial intelligence and trade to actually move MedTech forward in Europe.
We can't be left behind on the AI train. It's not coming, it's actually here.
AI, we need to be not only part of it, we need to be leading it.
With an aging population, with more chronic diseases, and with a world where we see different geopolitical shifts.
There was a time when, as a global company, the region of the world that you would launch your products first was Europe. That has changed.
We have to look at that with sort of macroeconomic lens rather than just trade policy lens.
Make sure that the European Union domestic market is leveled for this industry.
Europe is being compelled to pull together for its own defense, so there should be a spirit of collaboration, a spirit of working together that can be leveraged.
I think what Europe needs to do now is, of course, creating a strong European regulatory framework for making Europe more competitive in this time.
What can help us to be competitive is that we have regulations that remove obstacles for our industry in Europe.
What we really want is moving from preparation to action.
Ultimately, implementing things in an easy way, in an industry-friendly way, would be critical for us.
And now we are proposing actually to go towards a mechanism which is more proportionate, fit for purpose and targeted and more traceable.
The IVDR-MDR proposal being discussed between the EU Commission and the EU Member States is an important topic. If we can ensure that we make the right steps in the right order, this would bring a totally different dynamic to Europe.
This is not one industry or a group of policymakers or a group of physicians. It is a collaborative web that will make this happen.
Talking to government has become better, maybe more relevant because of the situation. That's something we can build on.
So a lot of European drive. It's important, I think, for the sector, but for Europe as a whole.
Europe can and Europe must remain the leader for the future of our innovative industry.
If we come together and bring a common voice to the outside world, we can speak as an actual strategic pillar holding up the well-being of Europe. And that's a force to be reckoned with that no one can ignore.